channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like this video, you subscribe to this channel, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. Tell us what you think of today's video. So guys, Umusam Seleku, as we all know, that he has been planning on taking wife number 5, and guess what, Kesana? Wife number 5 is already there. And also guess what, it's a 2K, guys. In Musam Seleku decided to go and um take wife number 5, who is the same age as ama sons work, the same age group as Abu Mpumelelo, Abo, same age group as Abu Snare. Like Futu Snare is even older than that girl. And it is said Utwa allegedly who girl already has a son, which is, there's nothing wrong, guys, with marrying someone who has a kid, because Naimosi Musam Seleku, he already has kids. So ke sana kuthiwa ke wife number 5 is a 2K. She is currently 24 years old as of 2024, and we are going to be seeing a lot of wife number 5 next year January on season 8 of Izingane Zesithembu. I am so looking forward to it because what? And Kesana, I have already seen the trailers. It's going down, it is going down, and also on the trailer it seems like Khumalo has had enough, because as you all know, Khumalo has been up and down, guys. Musam Seleku, she has been like taking his side. She has been the mbokoto that she needs to be. But Kesana, she feels that she was not appreciated enough. But I guess we will all see that in the new season 8 of Izingane Zesithembu starting next year January. We are here for it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.